Alright guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today guys is the day I'm gonna install my welds that I just picked up. There they are guys. This is my first time owning welds and I have to say they are beautiful. These are the 17s by 10 with the 305 45R 17 Mickey Thompson ET Street R tire. So this one is DOT approved, so it is legal to be driving around on the street with these. And guys, I am gonna have a lot of fun with these tires. So in today's video I'm just gonna install them so you guys can see them on the car. They're gonna look amazing, so stay tuned for the video. Alright guys, the stock wheels are at the car. Guys, look at how small they are compared to the Mickey Thompson 305 tires. So these are some big boys and I am so excited. I can't wait to put them on. So far this is the most expensive thing I've done to the car. So you also have to get the lug nuts for them. And I like how on the welds the lug nuts are just on the outside. I know for the race stars they need a special type of lug nut, but I like this one. These are pretty cool. They're just gonna sit on top like that. And also guys, the center caps, which you have to put from the inside out like that. So pretty cool. All right, there you guys have it. 2019 Mustang GT on the Weld's S71s. So far this is the most expensive thing I've done to the Mustang, so stay tuned for more. Yes sir.